So yeah, as I was saying, today we'll be talking about the health benefits of garlic. So first, I'd like to share this PDF with you. Yeah. So it's, so as you see, we'll be talking about the health benefits of garlic. Here it is. It looks like this. Yeah, as I started, it contains it's a source of vitamin B complex. We've simplified it by saying vitamin B, but it's vitamin B complex because there are many vitamin Bs. That's why it's called vitamin B complex. So it contains garlic. Garlic contains vitamin B, and vitamin B helps the brain with different issues like depression and anxiety because it helps when it gets in the blood. It helps with the endocrine system in its working well, helping release serotonin, which helps with anxiety, that hormone, and also it helps other hormones responsible for joy, like dopamine and others. For example, aside from serotonin, there's also oxytocin. So as a result, it helps decrease depression. Also, it helps the central nervous system as well because vitamin B, its job is to help mostly the brain in general. So it will also help with different neurological issues like seizures, maybe. And there is more research to be done, and also it can also help, I guess, with other neurological issues which exist. There is so many, so I can't completely say which one specifically, so I'll just stick with the common ones I know it can help with, aka depression, anxiety, and ADHD, because it helps the brain, whether it's central nervous system or the endocrine system. So, like like I said, since it helps with the endocrine system, it also helps with hormone regulation issues. Also, it contains vitamin C, which helps in creating antibodies that help fight respiratory diseases. If you remember well, in the times of coronavirus in 2021, people who were sick, they used to give them mangoes and citrus fruits. That is because they contain vitamin C, which is good for fighting respiratory diseases. And even for someone who is not sick, the vitamin C can help with, for with the respiratory tract, so it works well, but it has to work alongside sports and other things as well, such as water. Same thing if you want to help your brain, because nutrition doesn't work around alone. So as I continue, it's also a source of fiber, which means garlic will help with digestion because of its fiber that is in garlic. To also help with diarrhea, but not as much as it helps with constipation. It helps with the guts, like the intestines. It also helps, and since the brain is connected to the intestines, so after as the fiber helps the gut, it will also help the brain. It will also help the stomach and other digestive organs. So if you have a problem, digestive problem, you can take some fiber as a supplement, or you can take other fruits and vegetables because they contain a lot of fiber. So it also contains various mineral salts like phosphorus and calcium, which are responsible for helping the bones. It also contains magnesium and manganese, which are responsible for helping, and also potassium, which are responsible for helping the heart. It also contains the iodine, is not in this PDF, but it's there in the garlic, so it will help the thyroid gland. Also, the copper in the garlic can help in fighting cancer, and also things like some mineral salts will help the kidneys and the urine filtration, and the iron and copper which are in garlic will help in with the blood and the forming of blood cells and the hemoglobin in general. So as you see, the mineral salts in the garlic are very many and they are important. As I said, it also helps in fighting cancer, which is very great because copper acts as an antioxidant, and antioxidants help in fighting cancer, them alongside flavonoids and polyphenols. And this might not be in this PowerPoint, but it also helps with inflammation. But it may affect pregnant women, so you might wanna be careful around it or talk to the doctor before you give a pregnant woman too much or maybe even neither. I'm not sure before you give them the garlic. So that's all I've got to say. Yeah, but also remember garlic is best when taken raw and when taken fresh. It can also help when it's cooked, even when it's not fresh, but it won't be as effective, I guess. So that's all I have to say, and thank you for your time, guys.